Types of letters. आप सिर्फ हेडिंग लिखते जाइएगा. टाइप्स ऑफ लेटर्स. Do not make a noise. No noise, please. So write the topic, types of letters. So let us first understand that there are broadly two types of letters, formal and informal, which you already know. Yes. The questions can be write short notes on formal letters, informal letters. Then you will have to explain what formal letter is.
Formal letter is in a business.
Yes.
Official.
So these letters follow. All right, you write down some points about what will you elaborate when your question is asked. Give out, write short notes on formal letters or what are formal letters as per your understanding. So what you will write down some points like formal letters follow a certain pattern or a format, which can be either block style or semi-block or modified block. And they are professional. Second point is they are not personal, they are professional in nature. And the third point is they directly discuss the issue. They directly address the issue concerned. They do not write anything else, but they directly write why they are writing a letter. And the concluding part will be any type of business letter or letters to authorities will be in this category. Now, informal letters. Similarly, in contrast, informal letters are personal letters.
They do not follow the pattern of.
They need not follow a particular format or style. They do not go according to any rules or regulations. They do not talk about formats. And they contain personal information. They contain personal information, and the writing style is purely conversational. Informal letters are written to acquaintances, friends, relatives, people whom you know. Acquaintances मतलब होता है जाने पहचाने लोग, जिनको जानते, जिससे आप acquainted हैं, जिसको आप जानते हैं. So formal letters, the second was informal letters, and now we come to business letters. This letter is written among business correspondence. Number one. Second point, it contains commercial information. It contains commercial information. Anything which deals with money, business, such as quotations, orders, complaints, claims, letters for collections. So such letters are always strictly formal. They have a style, they have a format, and they follow the formalities. Like they will stick to the parts of a letter, the heading, the reference. So everything is included in a formal letter, in a business letter. And the last point is business letters are always written outside the organization. The next is official letter. The main difference between business letter and official letter is that business letters are written outside the organization and official letters are written inside, within the organization. बिजनेस लेटर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बाहर भेजी जाती है और ऑफिशियल लेटर ऑफिस के अंदर. This type of letter is written to inform offices, branches, subordinates of official information. Any official information given in the organization is sent through official letters. The letters are almost about any official information like rules, regulations, procedures of events, or any other information. It can be change of address, it can be just about anything. So official letters are also formal in nature and follow certain structure and decorum. It means all the formalities will be followed when you're writing an official letter. Do not talk, people at the back. The meaning of decorum is discipline. It has some rules and regulations. You cannot avoid that. And then we have social letters. Any type of social letter is a personal letter which you write to congratulate somebody, which you write to invite somebody at a party, at a marriage, at a function. A letter which you write to condole somebody for condolences. What are condolence? शोक जताना, दुख जताना. तो ये सारे लेटर्स ऑफिशियल नहीं होते हैं. ये सारे लेटर्स आपको सोशल लेटर्स होते हैं. Within you write to people whom you know, people whom you do not know. जिसको नहीं भी जानते हैं तो फेसबुक पे आप देखते हैं कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन तो आप congratulate करते हैं. Supposing there's a Facebook friend and he has got a job somewhere. You don't know him personally, but you congratulate. So social letters can be sent to people whom you do not know, but as a respect, as courtesy, you will write to them. So a personal letter is written on the occasion of a special event, like congratulatory letter. You congratulate somebody for achieving something good. Condolence letter. Invitation letter. For example, you are moving into a new house. You will write to them, you will invite them. Yeah. Next, circular letters. Next is circular letters. These letters are different from all other letters because these letters are not sent by mail, not sent on WhatsApp, not sent on messengers, but these letters are written or typed and which is circulated to everybody. People read it and sign it from one department to the next department. Where a peon may come with a file and he will go to each department and the people in each department will read the letter and sign it just to show that you have read the letter. You may be receiving circular letters in your school. Were they giving circulars in your school? So a letter that announces information to a large number of people is a circular letter. The same letter is circulated to a large group of people to correspond some important information like a change of address, change in management, the retirement of a partner, or some holiday, emergency meeting. And then we have the employment letters. Employment letters all concerned with a person who is recruited in a company. Any letter with respect to the employment process, like joining letter, promotion letter, application letter. What is the joining letter?
Those who join the first time in a company.
So anything with respect to the process of employment, joining, promotion letter, application letter, anything. Now we come to the practical part of writing formal letters. What happened? Now we come to solve questions. Keep quiet and read quietly. Like this is a letter which somebody has to write after she sees an advertisement in the newspaper. What is it? So Ashita Gupta reads the following advertisement published in the newspaper. What was the advertisement? Help the disabled. मतलब disabled को help करिए. An organization working nationwide to care and help the disabled over the country, all over the country. Join us. Now advertisement क्या बोल रहा है? Join us to make our mission successful. Together we can make a difference. मतलब साथ मिलेंगे तो हम लोग we can make a difference. We can do a lot of things when we join hands together. And sign off किया गया है Society for the Disabled. Now this was an advertisement in the newspaper. If somebody has to read the letter, somebody read the letter, and supposing you have read this letter, what will you write? What is happening? What are you all doing? Now, supposing this is a letter, help the helpless. How will you write this letter? Now you write. लिखना किसको है? Society for the Disabled. आपको लिखना किसको है? Inside address किसको लिखेंगे? Society for the Disabled, D12, Vasant Vihar, New Delhi. Understood? First of all, you will write your heading. Your heading, your date. Letterhead नहीं, या plain paper पे लिखो. लिखो. Write the heading, write the date, write the inside address and subject. You will be getting questions like this in your exam. Why will you write help the disabled? That is why will you write that? वो आप क्यों लिखेंगे? वो सब्जेक्ट लाइन में आप लिखेंगे. You do not understand. सबसे पहले क्या लिखोगे?
Heading.
Your heading, what will it be? Your name, your address. See guys, don't forget. Heading means your name, your address. अपना नाम वहां कहाँ ढूंढ रहे हो तुम? भूल गया है. हेलो, लौट के आओ. हेडिंग लिखो, योर नेम, योर एड्रेस. आप अपने लिखो ना, वो छोड़ दीजिए ना, आप लिखे ना. Supposing you are the person who's read it, आपने लेटर, आपने पढ़ा है, उसने भी पढ़ा है, आपने भी पढ़ा है, तो क्या चार लोग नहीं लिख सकते?
लिख सकते हैं.
तो फिर ओके, क्वेश्चन ऐसे हो सकता है. यू अर्शिता वर्मा, यू अर्शिता गुप्ता, यू हैव रेड दिस एडवर्टाइजमेंट. ओके, बट आई हैव चेंज दिस. राइट योर एड्रेस, राइट योर नेम, leave a space, write date, then write the inside address, which will be Society for the Disabled, D12, Vasant Vihar, New Delhi, 1110016. सब्जेक्ट हो गया क्या? आपका अपना एड्रेस के बाद स्पेस छोड़ के डेट, डेट के बाद इनसाइड एड्रेस, इनसाइड एड्रेस के बाद सब्जेक्ट लाइन. Write the subject. No. Subject के बाद leave a space and start writing dear sir. First paragraph, identify yourself, your introduction and why you're writing this letter. Yes, sir, I am. Your identification and the purpose for writing your letter. For writing the letter. I'm a worker. You're a student of Siemens College. Your name is whatever. And you're a student studying at Siemens College, student of BBA, first year. Come here, come here. कहाँ नेम लिखी हो यहाँ पे? हाँ, तो यहाँ पर डी वसंत। हाँ, लिखना जरूरी। आपने आपने पार्ट ऑफ लेटर में पढ़ा था ना, द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ विल बी योर इंट्रोडक्शन.
Identification of.
Your identification, the writer's identification should be there. Yes. Your name and you're studying BBA. हाँ. और उस एडवर्टाइजमेंट का आप रेफर करेंगे. प्लीज रेफर टू द एडवर्टाइजमेंट इन द न्यूज़पेपर. regarding a call to help the disabled. Regarding a mission to help the disabled. So please refer to your advertisement in the newspaper regarding a project to help the disabled for which I am interested. जिसके लिए मैं इंटरेस्टेड हूँ. Please write and read what you have written. Your inside address should be Society for the Disabled, D12 Vasant Vihar, New Delhi. So this is your inside address. और क्या लिखेंगे? Kindly give me the information how I can help. Kindly suggest in what ways can I be instrumental, or in which way, in what ways can I be included in this project. कृपया बताएं कि किस तरह से हम आपके प्रोजेक्ट में शामिल हो सकते हैं और क्या काम कर सकते हैं. This will be in a second paragraph. Do let me know how I can help. It means you want what action you want the reader to take. He will tell you or she will tell you how you can be involved in this project. लैंग्वेज आप कोई भी यूज कर सकते हैं. And I hope you're writing block style. Now this is a solved question जो मैंने आपको लिखने के लिए कहा है. यहाँ पर 2 भी हटा दीजिए, 2 नहीं होता है. Inside address से शुरू हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Inside address, the director, Society for Disabled, वसंत विहार, न्यू दिल्ली. डेट यहाँ पे लगाया है 13 फरवरी 2021. आप जो लगाना है आप लगाइए. Subject inquiry about various programs organized by your society. And then this is a letter that the person has written. This is a solved sample. आप एक बार उसको पढ़ लो. जो मैंने लिखा है बहुत ही सिंपल लिखा है, छोटा लिखा है, लेकिन ये भी पढ़ लो. ऐसे भी लिखा जाता है. Please see the screen and read the letter. इस लेटर में एक वर्ड डला हुआ है. आई एम ए फिलांथ्रोपिस्ट एट हार्ट. द मीनिंग ऑफ फिलांथ्रोपिस्ट, लवर ऑफ मैनकाइंड. जो सोसाइटी में रहने वाले लोगों को मदद करता है. लविंग ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, अ लवर ऑफ मैनकाइंड, फिलांथ्रोपिस्ट. आपने पढ़ा है चिट्ठी को? This is how letters are written. So what type of a letter is this? Personal letter, social letter, what? This is a social letter. Did you write what I told you, or did you copy from the text? No. How many copied from the text? Supposing you have to give a reply. You are the director of the society. How will you reply to this letter?
Okay, I am agree.
Okay, I am agree. That's it.
Okay, I am agree.
तो उनका तो सोसाइटी का तो एक लेटर हेड बनाओगे ना पहले. लेटर बनाओगे कि नहीं बनाओगे?
लेटर हेड पहले.
उनका लेटर हेड बनाओ अभी. मतलब असाइनमेंट कह रहे हैं.
अब हम डायरेक्टर बन जाओ.
अब तुम डायरेक्टर बन जाओ. एक लेटर हेड बनाओ एंड देन आप लिखिए Dear Mr. Ravi Shankar, please refer to your letter dated subject line wherein you had wanted to
मैम,
be
आप उसके
involved in the
बाद
project. हाँ?
क्वेश्चन लिखना है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नाम।
Inside address में है ना, बस वही है. लेटर राइटिंग ऐसे ही होता है. You write a letter, you reply the letter. The most important subject in your syllabus is letter writing. सबसे important है, जो कि तुमको हर वक्त कहीं ना कहीं लिखना है. Writing will also improve. So this was for your homework. Create a letterhead and reply. वो तो हम कर ही देंगे, लेकिन उससे कुछ फायदा होगा नहीं जब तक कि तुमको बैठ के समझाएंगे नहीं. ठीक है, I'll send the PDF. Yes, somebody can read what you have written. Can you read what you have written? सुनाओ पढ़ के क्या लिखते हो.
मैम डायरेक्ट बॉडी हम बॉडी पर है.
हाँ हाँ, नहीं पढ़ो, पढ़ो लेटर पढ़ो.
Dear ma'am, I am representing and I am the student of the English College in Patna. Second person to graduation in the course of BBA.
नाना पाटेकर कहाँ से आ गया? स्लो स्लो स्लो.
Dear ma'am, I am the representing and I am the student of college, US College in Patna. Recently, I am pursuing graduation in the course of BBA.
सॉरी, रिसेंटली कोई वर्ड यहाँ पर नहीं आना चाहिए. रिसेंटली क्या, इन दिनों?
I am pursuing graduation in the course of BBA. Paragraph change. Yesterday, I saw your organization advertisement in newspaper.
This should be in the first paragraph.
Okay. I am interested in your project and give to me information how to join your organization and I would like to help our society in various ways. Please let me know about the program organized by you and how I pay money with your phone.
हम कैसे पैसे
And how can I send, will you accept donations? पहले पढ़ लिया है ना, हड़बड़ मत करो, पहले पढ़ लो कि क्या है, उसके बाद. And please kindly provide information. I would like the following details like this. Your letter should be formal, no? Language is not formal.
I will look forward to your reply.
First of all, you will see how the person has written, what is the solved, how it is written, and then you write your own. पहले आप देखोगे कि कैसे लिखा गया है, फिर आप अपना लिखना शुरू करोगे, because you will get an idea what they are writing. Yes, read. नहीं लिखा. जो नहीं लिखा तो कर क्या रही थी? हाँ, दोस्तों गिरा चश्मिश. चश्मिश यहाँ पर है भी बड़ी बड़ी. या रीड. Why? All right then class, I hope you understood how to write letters. And then we'll come up with the reply of this letter. Create a letterhead and reply.